seriously not take a picture of your car.
What's up, guys? It's KTO Natsu, and I do believe this is the third episode of KTO Natsu Real Life. Yeah. This is my friend Percy.
What's up, YouTube?
I'm letting him drive my car, which is kind of freaking me out because I like my car. I don't want it to be destroyed.
I'm not gonna crash your car.
But we'll see how this goes. But basically, we're on our way to Walmart because he's staying at my house for about a week. So I'm gonna download some movies because I don't like paying for anything. But you can download some movies and hook it up to the big screen with my computer and watch them. I'm gonna do that. We need an HDMI cord, which I seem to have forgot to get one. But then again, everybody knows I'm a moron. So, why don't you wait, and I'll start this up again when we get to Walmart. Alright, peace. Alright, so, we're at Walmart now, and I'm just kind of walking to the door. This one, right there, freaking honked the freaking horn the entire trip. Made me look like a moron, but
better you than me.
Oh, shut it. Alright, but yeah, this is our ghetto Walmart. Gotta love it. Welcome to LaGrange, Georgia, people. Alright, I'll start this up in a second. Alright, as you can see, we're inside now. Yeah, I'm ashamed at Walmart, it's kind of sad. Although I give it this, it's bigger than our mall.
That is really sad.
Oh man. Alright, so we need you an HDMI cord.
Are you gonna make me buy the HDMI cord?
Duh. You need it, don't you?
Well, I do need it, but
Then I don't want to hear you complain about it.
I'm not complaining about it.
Alright, yeah, you're here. Go for it, Percy. It's not gonna be with. Come here. Come here. It's not gonna be with the play. It's not gonna be with the PlayStation 3 stuff. It's gonna be with the computer stuff. I kind of expected you to know that.
Okay, well, last time I looked, it was there, and now it's not there.
All right, well, come on. Let's find
Pick
this.
us up an 83-inch TV over here.
Dude, it's probably the best idea you've had.
That is, well, $50, and I'm not taking it.
Well, how?
So
8
that
feet?
was like $19.
That's a super slim, so that's not what you want.
Yeah.
Okay. We may have to end up getting GameStop, which I don't want to do because that's another far drive. So
That's the helpless people.
we're gonna find this thing, and then I'll start this up. So, peace. We didn't find one. Our Walmart is ghetto and full of absolute crap. So, that means it's GameStop. Which means it may be a bit more expensive, but I'm sure they'll at least have one. Oh well. Alright, come on. You take this. We're gonna find something stupid to do.
That is true. And as a responsible adult, you can claim any responsibility for this.
So what do you think? What should we do? Come on.
I honestly do not know, because we should have come in here with a game plan.
Well, we did have a game plan. That was to find an HDMI. Okay, so yeah, it's me again. Sorry. The camera that we were using in Walmart kind of died on me. in the middle of our shoot, which really pissed me off, but that's life, right? But basically, if you guys missed it, we're heading to GameStop. Walmart didn't have an HDMI cord, which doesn't surprise me at all. Honestly, our Walmart's the biggest ghetto. It's basically our ghetto, which is sad. So I had to stop at my house, pick up this other camera, and we're heading to GameStop now, so we'll pick it up there. By the way, yeah, that's my house. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
That's all you had to do in that one.
Shut up. Okay. So here we are at the mall, about to hit up GameStop, and we may walk around the mall for a little bit, but it won't take long because our mall is smaller than Walmart, which is sad. But hold on. We've got the rent-a-cop like trying to arrest somebody. Hold on, we'll get closer, right? Come on, Percy. People are getting suspicious. They're all freaking staring at us. They're like, they're recording it. Hold on. You saw that girl, right? She was on the phone. She was all like, man, these people got them cameras out and everything. I was looking around like, it's just me. I'm the only one out here with a camera. It's not really for you, but whatever. Alright, here's GameStop. Here you go, Percy. Take the reel. Okay.
Delivered monthly until September. Purchase your Elite Premium subscription today and take your Modern Warfare games to the next level.
Alright.
Introducing
Sweetheart.
4G LTE from Sprint.
I'll go ask the lady.
That's probably a good idea.
Well, this is for you.
Well, I didn't necessarily want to buy it here, but there's one right there, bro.
Nope. That USB cable.
Oh, damn it. Ugh. Come on. Screw you. Yes, pretty.
She's cute.
Oh, good for you.
Have you been watching that?
Not really.
Make sure it's a good video.
You do have editing, don't you?
Yeah, but I'm
You're the editing master. Use your skills like
In-store credit to spend on games, accessories, DLC, and more. Power Up Rewards Pro members get an extra 10% in-store credit.
Oh, she had the connection to do that.
Check out the pre-owned section. For starters, tons of great games.
Why?
It's just fun. It's fun for me. I find that humorous.
You would, too.
I have weird humor. I'm sorry. Both on the floor. Wow. You have to be really lame to play paintball. In a video game when you have to play.
I would do it.
Like, oh, you want to play paintball?
Stay in line. Call me when I get done.
Alright, your total.
We're getting charged for this one.
I just realized I was making percent. Like, oh, that seems like a bit much.
So it's pre-owned.
Okay, so we got the HDMI cord. 10 feet, 20 bucks. So as usual, GameStop rips you off. Shocker, right? So now we're just kind of walking around the mall, seeing if there's any crap we can do.
That's some crap we can do.
And this stupid idiot wants to eat. You're an idiot. You're a moron. Our mall is so sad. Like, very. You're captain. Keep an eye on that time limit. When it gets down to 1 minute, let me know.
See if they have that thing here.
What thing are you looking for?
The phone.
Good, how are you?
I think it's over here. That's not it. Where is it?
It's the 30 minutes.
Nope. Where is it? Oh my gosh, you don't say it.
Well, you see inside your past the Verizon phone now.
Just because it's not in the Verizon section doesn't. It's the one you're getting. See mine.
Oh, see, this is the one I got.
Yes. Mine begins with an R and I can't remember it.
This kid's a moron. Alright, come on. The mall's about to close. Yeah.
The mall's about to close.
And we didn't get to do anything stupid today.
You go in the black store.
We're not going to the black store. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
That's what it's all about. Dude, find me a green suit. Find me a green suit. I'm gonna try it on. I will try that crap on. Alright, here. Hey.
Huh?
Here you go.
Make me vlog.
Actually, watch it.
Okay.
Make sure it's good.
I'm sorry, it's just you get some green pants. No, that's it. They're shorts / pants. Right there.
Holy freak crap. Yeah, sure. We're just looking. Alright, we gotta go.
6, 5. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's about to die. 2, 1.
And here we are again. The stupid kid is talking about food. My God. But okay, so just to recap for the night, we had multiple camera issues. The first camera I was using died. I went home, got a new camera. That one ran out of space. So I switched out the SD card with the one on my phone, and that's the one I'm recording on now. So we were able to figure it out a little bit. The police is still here. Gonna kind of walk by. But they're staring at me. That's that's odd.
My receipt is gone.
But alright.
Oh well.
Here. Film me. So guys, yep, this has been KTO Natsu Real Life, episode number 3. It's been fun, it's been real. It's been real freaking fun. But it's time for me to go back on the Xbox, because I'm sick and tired of my mall. So, I'll play with you guys later.